25/25/2025. We reached our next spot, 8 Dharma Kaya Stupa at Gedu. From here, we can get a lovely view of the valley. Sonam explained the significance of each stupa in detail. The 8 stupas or Chorten symbolize important stages of Buddha's life starting from birth till Nirvana.
These are stupas. So stupas are built in order to commemorate major events that has occurred in the life of Lord Buddha. So these are stupas, they represent the parts of Lord Buddha: the head mount, the torso, and the throne.
Okay.
And this one is his legs seated in the Vajra.
Okay.
So, stupa in our country, we build it as a landmark or in the memory of someone else. So here, these are the 8 types of stupa, which represents the 8 major events in the life of Lord Buddha, starting from his birth till his Mahaparnirvana. So this one is the stupa of Mahaparnirvana, when Lord Buddha attained Mahaparnirvana. This is the stupa. These are the stupa of This is the stupa of descending. When Lord Buddha got enlightened, he found out that his mother is there in the Tushita heaven. So in order to give his teaching to his mother, he went to Tushita heaven. Then gods like Indra and Brahma, they requested Lord Buddha to come down to this earth and flourish his teaching. So you can see 3 steps which that's how Lord Buddha descended from Tushita heaven, from those 3 steps.
Okay.
And this one is the stupa of great miracles.
Okay.
This is the time when erected during the time when Lord Buddha totally defeated the host of Maras and overcame all these poisons and all.
Okay.
And this is the stupa of many doors. So you can see many doors on those
yes.
So this stupa is erected when Lord Buddha gave his first teaching. So we call it as turning the wheel of Dharma.
Oh, that's why different stupas have different significance.
Different patterns also. And this is the stupa of enlightenment. Erected when Lord Buddha got enlightened under the Bodhi tree.
Nirvana.
Yes. And this one is built by a king named Bimbisar.
Okay, Bimbisara.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this one is the stupa of lotus petal. Yes. So this stupa is erected by Lord Buddha's father, King Suddhodana.
Okay.
After his birth.
Okay.
When Lord Buddha was born, he walked 7 steps in a different direction. So from each of his footprint, the lotus bloomed. And during that time, he claimed that I'm the only supernatural being in this whole world. That's why there are lotus petals everywhere. Those are 4 steps.
Okay.
So you can circumambulate in waist here also. Begin marriage ceremony. Marriage ceremony begin all the things.
After visiting the stupas, we tried to pay and use toilets nearby. One has to pay BTN 10 or Indian rupees 10 to use the toilet. Toilets with mostly Western commodes are maintained clean. Liquid soap, towel, and toilet paper are provided. In Bhutan, smoking, littering, urinating, or defecating in public places is strictly banned. They impose heavy fine if caught. Almost all the important tourist attractions have CCTV surveillance. From the 8th Dharma Kaya Stupa, we travelled along the beautiful smooth highway. Sonam explained about the Bhutanese customs with us.
This one is a College of Commerce. Business one.
Business management.
Yes. Once you get into government college, then you can wear any color pattern go for kira. So if you are in a school till 12th standard, then everything is in uniform.
Okay. What kind of your traditional dress itself?
Yes. So if one color of the bow is yellow in the school, then all must wear yellow.
Dress code, color code.
Yes.
Uniform.
Uniform.
Everybody follows it?
Yes. So if you are on official duty, if you are going to some offices, some administrative offices, then if you are a civil servant, then you must wear this coat. And you can also wear leggings inside the boat. And you can...
Sonam,
Yes.
I see that the pattern of buildings is similar everywhere, wherever we have seen.
Yes.
What's the reason actually?
So it's like these are the traditional Bhutanese architectural design. So it's mandatory for all those houses or buildings to have this
Okay,
one.
even private houses.
Yes.
Okay.
It's mainly to like promote and preserve our culture and tradition.
Oh, okay, okay.
So the one at the top of the building is called as Paupana, and the one above the window, like smaller one, is called as Pemchise.
Okay.
So it's our traditional architectural design.
So everybody is following that code.
Yes.
And what about any color code actually for the building? Because in Phuentsholing,
Yes.
I saw mostly yellow color on building.
Yes.
Cream
So
yellow color.
regarding the color, you can like apply any color.
But it just only adds to the aesthetics,
Yes.
the beauty of the place.
Yes. And regarding
uniformity.
Yes.
Uniformity.
Yes. And regarding the roof, it's only like two colors:
Okay.
the green one and red one.
Okay.
So once you reach Thimpu, the green ones are for like residentials,
Okay.
and red one is either monastery, government buildings, or commercial buildings.
Okay.
So there, since we do not have like so many places for the commercial here, so there are some showrooms and shops even under those residential buildings also.
Right. Thank you. During lunchtime, we reached the restaurant at Wangkha by name Kencho Pelmo Restaurant and Bar. Usually, all the resto bars have also a mini store within, selling packed short eats and essentials. Sonam showed me the local alcoholic drinks, which are much cheaper compared to Indian liquor.
The menu is over here. If you want to have some like cough medicine, you can get it
No,
here.
not now. No. It's only for night. So this is their store, is it?
Yes.
Oh, they sell everything in.
Yes.
local
So
store.
this one is K5.
Oh, K5. Okay.
Yes.
That's a premium whiskey, is it?
This one is Highland.
Okay.
Then this one is Rock B.
These are very expensive?
Not very.
Not very expensive.
And they have Highland over there also.
Okay,
Water one.
okay.
And this blue one is a beer.
Okay.
It contains 5% alcohol.
5%. Okay.
Yes. And that red one is also beer. It
Okay.
contains 8% alcohol.
Okay.
And this one is fish wine, sir.
Which one?
Near that red cap one.
Red cap one.
Yes.
That is peach wine. Peach wine.
This one is peach wine.
Okay.
This one is stuck in.
Uh-huh. This is Raymond vodka. Yeah, this I
This one is
want.
7.5.
Huh? Bangladesh, one of us.
What would you like to have, sir? They have chicken curry.
Okay.
English teacher India.
They have kyo dashi also, potato and cheese.
No, not now. Bhutanese food later. Ukpa, samyang, puri, roti and all.
Aloo matar, aloo chana.
Okay. Some veg. Veg is there?
Yes, veg.
Veg, we have aloo chana, aloo matar paneer.
If
Okay.
you want puri, also they will serve puri.
Okay. Roti, tawa roti is there?
Yeah, we have tawa roti also.
I think you can go for that. For lunch, we ordered tawa rotis with paneer peas curry. Rotis are really well prepared in Bhutan, but the curry stated insipid with mostly hard paneer cubes and just a few peas floating in the gravy. I washed down the meal with a cup of hot ginger lemon honey tea, which was great. After lunch, we moved towards Thimpu, and on the way, we came across a roadside waterfall. ಚರ್ಮಡಿ ಗೇಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಲೋಚನ್ We spent some time taking selfies there and then went ahead. You may sit back, relax and enjoy the beautiful scenery as our driver Sangye drove the car smoothly and cruised up and down the highway. popular. Very juicy, very tasty.
Whatever you find in India, you find
Yeah.
here.
In Nepal also, they have got Mustang apple. Nepal. That is also different. That looks very dark in color and organic. Very much organic. They don't spray anything. Reddish purple color it is almost.
And you get grapes here?
Yes.
Even for grapes, they don't pesticide.
No. Then we grow strawberries also.
Strawberry.
Oh, okay.
And we have pears.
Huh.
And we get jackfruit also.
Mm-hmm. Jackfruit.
Yes.
Oh. Means you grow here or?
We grow here.
Oh. So that means at least 6 to 8 months the weather must be warm here, no?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Those jackfruits and all, they grow in the southern regions.
Uh-huh.
This is like closer to the ocean.
Assam. Closer to Assam and Bengal.
Yes, it's hot there, no?
Yeah, yeah.
So they grow lots of fruits there.
Mm-hmm. Jackfruit you just eat or prepare anything out of it?
We just eat, sir.
Eat.
Yeah.
You don't make any dumpling and all that?
No, sir.
Because we make sweet dumplings with the jackfruit. You know turmeric leaf.
Yes, sir.
In that we steam it.
Okay.
Or teakwood leaf. Teakwood tree is there, no?
Yes.
That leaf is available there. If you make jackfruit steamed jackfruit dumpling in that, it becomes red in color and gets a good flavor also. Because our cooking, it resembles mostly with the Far East cooking. In South India, our cooking is almost like, some Malaysian and Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, all those places, Lot of similarities there. They also use a lot of leaves for steaming dumplings. Jackfruit leaf also, we make idli in that.
Idli, sir?
Yeah. We make pockets, 4 jackfruit leaf together, we weave it and prepare a pocket. In that, we fill the idli batter and steam it. That tastes better than idli actually.
Here we use bamboos.
Bamboo, yeah.
Yes, we
Even
use,
biryani and all they make in bamboo, I think.
Yes.
Mostly in Assam. Assam, Meghalaya, Bengal and all famous for bamboo, no? Bamboo shoot also you eat, no?
Yes, sir, bamboo shoot.
Oh.
Here we call it as baksa.
Okay.
Baksa.
Yes.
Oh, on that restaurant, I saw that in Baksa.
Yes. So it's a bamboo shoot.
We prepare curry and all that with that. We prepare curry, pickle, Then dosa. Dosa means spicy dosa.
Yes.
We had chili and all that. Rice, chili and all that, and prepare dosa.
So once you reach Paro, there's a Greek shop, Greek canteen that Indian.
Outsiders can eat?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
So I'll take you there
okay.
once you reach Paro.
Okay. Finally, we stopped at a highway-side fruit shop and purchased some bananas and oranges. Organically grown using gobar and no pesticide spray, they are priced high, but we didn't mind supporting the local farmers and shop owners.
So this is the dried cheese. Churpi.
Churpi,
Yes.
It's a dried fruit.
cheese. Yak cheese.
Yak cheese.
Made from the yak milk.
What is that in the packet? Puri?
Not puri. It's like puff rice.
Puff rice.
Yes, it's first we.
No, this one.
Yes, first we grind the rice. So it's just like pani puri.
Yes. So that you eat with?
No, we have it with tea.
Oh, direct.
Yes.
Asparagus.
That red one is the spicy puff rice.
That's it in this part. In the next part, you will see Hotel Drukgyal Twin Tower Thimpu city and some interesting spots in Thimpu. Until then, keep watching.